guess we're gonna draw Cinnamoroll.
Yeah, from Hello Kitty. We hope you're going to follow along with us. Here's a quick preview of how Cinnamoroll turned out at the very end. We hope you guys are really excited to follow along with us. And I love that our two drawings don't look exactly the same. They both turned out awesome. That's because
The most important thing is to have fun and to practice.
yes. We're also using our markers to draw with, but you could use whatever you have, like a pencil or colored pencils, or even,
Crayons.
yeah. Let's first start with drawing the mouth, and we're going to draw a really cute mouth. It's kind of a W shape. I'm going to draw it with a curve on the side. We'll go up in the middle, come back down, and then a curve on the other side. And it's kind of tricky, but I bet you can do it. Yes, and we probably should turn our paper sideways to be able to fit the ears in there, but we're going to try it this way. And now we're switching to our blue marker since Cinnamoroll has blue eyes. And also, we always say cinnamon roll with an N at the very end, but it's actually one word and there's no N. It sounds like Cinnamoroll. Okay, let's draw an oval shape right here and an oval shape over here. Also, I think we've always thought that Cinnamoroll was a bunny, but it's a puppy and it's a boy. And guess where Cinnamoroll was born?
In the grass.
Nope, on clouds.
Oh.
On a cloud. It looks like a cloud.
He does look like a cloud.
Now let's switch back to our black marker, and we're going to draw, down here, we're going to draw a straight line right underneath his mouth. We're just going to draw a straight line. This is for the chin. Now this looks like the nose, and this is the mouth.
Oh.
Then we're going to draw the arms. We're going to draw coming up, connecting, and back down. And then we're going to draw the same shape, but going the other way on the other side. Then we're going to imagine this line going behind the hand, and we're going to come out to the side. We're going to curve around for the cheek, and then come back up, kind of like we're pointing, like we're going to come up, and we'll stop above the eye. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We'll imagine it coming over or behind, and then we're going to come up and then stop there. Next, let's draw the top of his head, and we're going to leave a little space between these two cheek lines. I'm going to turn my paper sideways so it's a little easier to draw, and then we're going to draw a little space in between. Yeah. Oh, I like how you did that with 2 guide points. That's awesome. Good job. Now let's draw the big floppy ears. We're going to start right here on the top. We're going to draw an S curve that comes out to the side, and then I'm going to draw that same S curve out to this side to match. Yeah, next time we'll probably draw Cinnamoroll this way on our paper so that we have more room for the ears because they're really big. Then we're going to curve around. I'm going to be right on the edge of the paper, and then we'll come back in. And then we're going to do the same curve around and connect to the cheek on this side. Yeah. All right, now for the body, we're going to start right next to the arm, and we're going to come down, and then we're going to curve right at the bottom, and then we'll do the same to match on the side. And then just like we did for the head where we left a little space, we're going to do that same thing down here. We'll draw the bottom of his body, but leave a little gap on each side. It's kind of tricky, but you did it. You did awesome. Okay, now for the feet and the legs. We're going to start here. We'll come down and then connect back up. And do the same thing over here. Down and back up. What are we missing?
His tail.
Yeah, the cinnamon roll tail. This is what makes him look like a cinnamon roll. We're going to draw a big letter C on the left side. And then it actually keeps curling around like a spiral into the center. And we did it. We finished drawing Cinnamoroll. Well, we still need to add the cheeks. And we don't need to color him because he's white.
Yeah.
Let's get our pink marker and we can add the cheeks. We're using our really light pink, And we're gonna add an oval just below each eye and color it in. And then we can do that same oval to match on the right side, and we'll color that in. I'm gonna do one more thing and add a thicker line on my cinnamon roll. Hadley, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring. Cinnamon roll. Not much
cheeks.
coloring. Yeah, we did the cheeks.
Yep.
And then we also added a thicker line, which I think makes it look even cooler. But you don't have to do that. To keep the lesson a little easier, what else could our friends add to their drawing?
A background.
Yeah, you could draw the sky. That would be really cool.
Yeah.
This is also a really fun character that you could draw again, but doing something else. Maybe eating a strawberry or a cupcake.
We're flying away.
Oh yeah.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing Cinnamoroll.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.